Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with an in-depth review of the XTOOL IP608 OBD2 Scanner. If you're a car enthusiast, mechanic, or just a vehicle owner wanting to save on diagnostics, this is a must-watch. Let's get started. If you want to buy this product, click on the description below the video. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find the XTOOL IP608 scanner itself, a user manual, an OBD2 cable, a USB cable for updates, and a carrying case. The scanner has a sleek design with a large, easy-to-read color screen and a rugged, durable build. Plugging the scanner into the OBD2 port is straightforward, and once connected, the device powers on automatically. XTOOL IP608 all-system scanner can access and scan all available vehicle modules, including e-engine, T-transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMs, immobilizer, brakes, body, chassis, HVAC, etc. to read or clear codes, view live data stream and up to 8 PIDs graphing, retrieve, freeze frame and ECU info to better understand the cause of car issues and make car repair tasks much easier. One simple click gives you accurate, in-depth diagnostics, non-bidirectional, 30+ service and reset. XTOOL IP608 Automotive Diagnostic Scan Tool has covered almost all options that any auto mechanic or service technician would ever need for daily repair and maintenance, including oil reset, EPB, SAS calibration, BMS, throttle, TPMs reset, gearbox, match, suspension, ABS bleed, injector coating, power balance, start or stop reset, headlight, and more. You can get the most features for the least amount of money. Can FD and 10,000 car coverage. XTOOL IP608 Auto Code Reader Diagnostic Tool can work on OBD-compliant vehicles to perform OBD2 diagnosis and all systems diagnostics, including 12 volts cars, light-duty trucks, SUVs, minivans, hybrids. Compatible with CAN FD protocol vehicles. Works on GM2020 Plus. IP608 OBD2 diagnostic scanner can also work on newer vehicles as well. Lifetime free update and 2-year warranty. Unlike other products with limited free updates, XTOOL IP608 offers lifetime free updates. The user interface is very responsive. We can read the vehicle's information quickly and easily. Here's the engine control module's status, showing current error codes. We can clear these codes with a simple tap. The live data feature provides real-time information on various sensors, which is crucial for diagnosing ongoing issues. Pros: comprehensive diagnostics, user-friendly interface, wireless connectivity, frequent updates, extensive vehicle coverage, advanced functions. Cons: cost. The XTOOL IP608 can be relatively expensive compared to basic diagnostic tools, which might not be justified for casual users. Subscription fees. To keep the tool updated with the latest software, a subscription fee might be required, adding to the long-term cost. In summary, the XTOOL IP608 OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. It's packed with features, user-friendly, and compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Whether you're looking to diagnose an issue or perform regular maintenance, this scanner is a reliable companion. Thanks for joining us for this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with the XTOOL IP608? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy driving!